And I need you, baby, and you need me too.
We're better you and you suck.
Hey yo, Eminem. My name is Tupac Shakur. Hey, what's up? Yo, it's the Kid 50 Cent.
Yo, what's up? This is your boy Big Buster Rhymes live and direct.
It's your brother DJ Khaled. We the best.
This is Dr. Dre. Let's get it on.
Never do a thing irrational. Never do a thing irrational. Never do a thing irrational. Lives forever, these tales are classical. Velvet bow ties, little proofs in the tux when I roll by. In the car similar to Osama's. In my diamonds, and my principle is to study drama. Look what happened in Manhattan a couple of years ago when started clapping. Two of my dogs fell, two of my ziggin' ran. They was amateurs in beef with a grown man. It taught me the lessons of how the strong stand and how the weak end up in the coffin. Play it cool, that's the old school rule, man. Keep your ears to the streets, you'll never lose, man.
Mic check 1 2 1 2. It's your boy A-Game all the way live with my main man DJ Cool Caddish and the mixtape champion. Let's get it.
A-code means rewind, a gunshot means forward. You requested it, so we rewound.
Caddish.
Try to make me go to rehab. I said no, no, no. Yes, I've been back, but when I come back, no, no, no. I ain't got the time, and if my daddy thinks I'm fine, try to make me go to rehab. I said no, no, no. Try to make me go to rehab. I said no, no, no. Yes, I've been back, but when I come back, no, no, no. I ain't got the time, and if my daddy thinks I'm fine, just try to make me go to rehab. I won't go. I'd rather be at home with Ray. I ain't got 70 days.
If your girl only knew that you was trying to get with me, what would she do? If your girl only knew that you was dissing her to talk to me, she would probably leave you alone, probably curse you out and unplug her phone. I bet she'd be glad that you was gone. She wouldn't have to worry. If your girl only knew that I would want to kick it with you. If your girl could only see how you be calling me, getting fresh with me.
Seen you was trouble right from the start. Told me so many lessons, how not to mess with broken hearts. So many questions. When this began, we was the perfect match, perhaps. We had some problems, but we working at it. And now the arguments are getting loud. I wanna stay, but I can't help from walking out. Let's throw it away. Just take my hand and understand. If you could see, I never planned to be a man. It just wasn't me. But now I'm searching for commitment and other arms. I wanna shelter you from harm. Don't be alarmed. Your attitude was the cause. You got me stressing. Soon as I opened up the door with your jealous questions, like where could I be? You're killing me with your jealousy. Now my ambitions to be free, I can't breathe. Cause soon as I leave, it's like a trap. I hear you calling me to come back. I'm a sucker for love.
Every second, every man, I swear that she can get it. Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Every second, every minute, every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Say if you a bad bitch, put your hands up high, hands up high, hands up high. Tell them dim the lights down right now, put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark room perfume. Go, go. You a bad bitch, put your hands up high, hands up high, high, high. You a bad bitch, put your hands up high, high, high. You a bad bitch, put your hands up high, hands up high, hands up high. Tell them dim the lights down right now, put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark room perfume.
Who told y'all to let a motherfucker back on the block with the bullshit? See, y'all done fucked up now. Turn the volume up and bang it out the truck now. You got a problem, son. Imagine how the club sound.
Cool Caddish, per noi, per voi, per tutti.
You need to come and shot and check low. Relax yourself and let the sugar low flow. Get you wide. You need to come and shot and check low. Relax yourself and let the sugar low flow. Keeps you wide. You need to come and shot and check low. Relax yourself and let the sugar low flow. Get you wide. You need to come and shot and check low. Relax yourself and let the sugar low flow. Yo, Josh, Rain and Alizé on this ballerina in my Beamer, pouring mommy smelling like Cassini, counting Chini up in Santa Fe. Told about the Latin queens I laid up on the Crystal Lake. Now we do it on records and tapes.
Yeah, tree shot to life for all night, so dig it. Kept it hotter, Kenyatta, Versace wearing, I'm not of that protege. To Melina Horn, tilt the Hathaway, and cracking satin. No, never was having to pull a convince her, then get Shanghai, study Tai Chi, pack the Bruce, slide my mellow manners, whose angels with dirty faces.
SOS, she's in disguise. SOS, she's in disguise. First says she wolf in disguise.
DJ Caddish.
Now when they see us in the streets, like okay. Now when they see us in the streets, like okay. When they see us in the streets, like okay, okay. Now when they see us in the streets, like okay. Now when they see us in the streets, like okay. When they see us in the streets, like okay.
Yeah, baby, shit's about to jump off. Looking for the bus, bringing my man from up north. Been like 3 years when he got knocked. Since he got caught, pumped up like 5 new blocks. Hold it down for, kept a nigga straight with money on the books. It ain't bitches, it's crooks who look out for other crooks. Took him shopping, money in his pocket, he straight. Dropped him off at the wife crib after we ate. Out of state, what's the next move for me? Had to make that nigga chill for at least 2 to 3 months. Cause once it's on, he didn't care. It's like, slow down, baby, the money ain't going nowhere.
Baby, I'm wasted. All I wanna do is drive home to you, baby. I'm faded. All I wanna do is take you downtown, baby. I'm wasted. All I wanna do is drive home to you, baby. I'm faded. All I wanna do is take you downtown.
Roll it and light it up. 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 Roll it up, light it up. Let's pull the 2-seat out, baby. Light it up. Roll it up, light it up. It's wherever you want to go.
Vibing to the music. This is how we do it. All night, breezing down the freeway. Just me and my baby in our ride. Just me and my boss. No worries at all. Listening to the Austin music.
Hey, what's up, y'all? This is your girl Shadina, rocking off with my favorite DJ, DJ Cool Caddish. We gonna let that shit go.
Caddish.
With my
is Milk D, aka Milk is chillin'. When I'm in Italy, I'm getting money with DJ Cool Caddish. What more can I say?
Alcoholics got the beats that'll make you say. Alcoholics got the freaks that'll make you say. Alcoholics got the rhymes that'll make you say. Every time I make a jam, make you wanna say. Swift, test the rocket line, Chuck. Let's blow up the spot, show 'em what we got for the 90 flow shot. I'm the brown bomber, drop the verbal scuds. I write rhymes while my mama peel the skin off the spuds. This ain't baseball, no, the licks won't slump, so make room for the crew with beats that hump. Yo, I'm the baddest man with a hit since Willie Mays. I'm playing for the A's. OG was right, cause rhyme pays. I walked through a rainstorm, I didn't even get wet. I was bailing through hell, I didn't even bust a sweat. So you must have a locomotive. I mean a crazy reason to wanna step up and suck a hole. Got the beats that'll make you say. Alcoholics got the freaks that'll make you say. Alcoholics got the rhymes that'll make you say. Every time I make a jam, make you wanna say.
I came to Spain, I saw people party. I thought to myself, what the fuck?
We pop, we brawl, get money till the day we fall. My Glock, my fall, throw shots through your bedroom door. From the P's to the mall, cop Louis all the way to my drawers. We pop, we brawl, get money till the day we fall.
Throw your hands in the air and wave them like you just don't care. And if you like fish and grits and all that pimp shit, everybody let me hear you say, oh yeah. Now throw your hands in the air and wave them like you just don't care. And if you like fish and grits and all that pimp shit, everybody let me hear you say, oh yeah. Throw your hands in the air and wave them like you just don't care. And if you like fish and grits and all that pimp shit, everybody let me hear you say, oh yeah. Now throw your hands in the air and wave them like you just don't care. And if you like fish and grits and all that pimp shit, everybody let me hear you say, oh yeah.
To all the ladies in the place with style and grace. To all the ladies in the place with style and grace. With style and grace. To all the ladies in the place with style and grace. With style and grace. To all the ladies in the place. All the ladies in the place. To all the ladies in the place. All the ladies in the place. To all the ladies in the. To all the ladies in the place with style and grace. Allow me to lace these lyrical douches in your bushes who rock grooves and make moves with all the mommies. The back of the club sipping Moet is where you find me. The back of the club macking hoes, my crew's behind me. Mad question asking, blunt passing, music lasting. But I just can't quit because one of these honeys Biggie got to creep with, sleep with, keep the F a secret. Why not? Why blow up my spot? Cause we both got hot. Now check it. I got more Mac than Craig and in the bed. Believe me, sweetie, I got enough to feed the needy. No need to be greedy. I got mad friends with Benzes. See notes by the layers. True fucking players. Jump in the Rover and come over. Tell your friends jump in the GS3. I got the chronic by the tree.
Good time. 3 times. 2 times. 3 times.
Cut the music up a little louder. Yeah. You had a lot of crooks try to steal your heart. Never really had luck, couldn't never figure out how to love. How to love. You had a lot of moments that didn't last forever. Now you in a corner trying to put it together. How to love. How to love.
Cagliari.
DJ Cool Caddish. DJ Cool Caddish.
Feel the bass. Pump it up loud. Feel the bass. Pump it up loud. Feel the bass. Pump it up loud. Feel the bass. Pump it up loud.
something about rolling with a G like you. Khakis, French braids, rep the boat, keeping it true. In the GS, when you see us, we on dubs. Any BS, they wanna see us, you don't dub. 18s on the hang like we bang for years. Main bitch and I ain't switch, bring them to tears. High pitch like Eddie Kendricks when you hitting the appendix. His and hers, semis regulate the problems we finish. Taught me how to grind, separate my niggas from dubs. G with it when you win it, so I'm showing you love. Had to check abroad yesterday for grilling you down. Shut it down quick, cause we still won't receive this round.
My baby on a Saturday.
I don't need a girlfriend. They call me Little P, I represent the CP3. Calio, you heard me, straight from New Orleans. I got an uncle named Silk and an uncle named C. I've been dribbling the ball since the age of 3. I got game like Coach Douglas, like Papa P. Once I'm in the zone, ain't no stopping me. Shoot this yo, but baby, I'm a girl, you shocking me. Be Miller, no limit, get from head to feet. It's like that, whoa, that. 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 We have to stand away.
Hey, what's up, y'all? This is your girl Shadina, rocking off with my favorite DJ Cool Caddish. We gon' let that shit go.
You are now jamming to the step down of the boogie down. Hit him right there. Hit him right there.
DJ Cool Caddish.
Hit him right there. Nothing can stop all the way up. Nothing can stop all the way up. Nothing can stop all the way up. Bust that groove all the way up. Bust that groove. Bust that groove. Bust that groove. Bust that groove.
Yo, Vanilla, kick it one time, boy.
Yo, VIP. Let's kick it.
Who the fuck is them? Throwing elbows. 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 I ain't on the guest list. I ain't VIP. Dress to kill. I ain't on the guest list. I ain't VIP.
Alright, stop. Collaborate and listen. Ice is back with my brand new invention.
I got the rap patrol on the cat patrol. Foes that want to make sure my casket's closed. Rap critics to say he's money cash holes. I'm from the hood, stupid, what type of facts are those? If you grew up with holes in your zapper toes, you celebrate the minute you was having dope. I'm like, fuck critics, you can kiss my whole asshole. If you don't like my lyrics, you can press fast forward. Got beef with radio if I don't play they show. They don't play my hits, well I don't give a shit. So, rap mags try and use my black ass so advertisers could give them more cash for ads, fuckers. I don't know what you take me as or understand the intelligence that Jay-Z has. I'm from rags, the richest niggas, I ain't dumb. I got 99 problems, but a bitch ain't one.
Как-то раз пошла гулять я с иностранцем. Он ее до дум провожал.
Caddish.
369, damn fine. She just like it to me one more time and roll. Get low, get low, get low, get low, get low, get low. To the window, to the wall, to the wall. My sweat drop down my ball. My ball. All these bitches wild. All these motherfuckers. All these goddamn. I got that. All these motherfuckers. So fresh, so clean. And she broke that question, been harassing me in the mind. This bitch is fine. I done came to the club out at the 11th time. Now can I play with your band in line? The club owner say I need to calm down. Security guard win me now. Nigga drunk, then a motherfucker thread me now. Me and my people to the
Time to everywhere we go through, all the gangsters around know my whole
Caddish.
We hold it down like we're supposed to. Nigga, you can front if you want, we be poppin' them things. Everywhere we go through, all the gangsters around know my whole crew. Nigga, what? Nigga, we hold it down like we're supposed to. Nigga, you can front if you want, we be poppin' them
After the VMAs, my baby mama cussed my ass out. I kicked her ass, we back friends like Buffy and Steve Stout. Cut the grass around my clit so I can see these snakes. You see them back in the hood, it's cause I see they fake.
They call me Big L.A. Big silly, big money, big willy. When I'm sliding in the mall and you hear me, I be slicing with these balls so you feel me. Let me rip it up for cuz in the back. Let me flip it, get a buzz in your hat. I'ma tell you how to cause an attack. Timberland ladies love on the track. Love to get the ice pop champagne. Don't forget I used to ride on the train. When I bump it right, call my name. Go crazy in the mall with James.
Follow me, tell me if you feel me. I think niggas is trying to kill me. Picturing pistols, spitting hollow points till they drill me. Keeping it real, and even if I do conceal my criminal thoughts, preoccupied with keeping still. See niggas is false, sitting in court, turn snitches. They used to be real, but now they petrified bitches. I'm trying to be strong. They sending armies out to bomb me. Listen to Ron, the only DJ that can calm me. Constantly on my firepower, keep me warm. I'm trapping the storm, and fuck the world till I'm gone. Bitches be gone, word is gone, you get torn. I'm busting on Giuliani, you rubbing my niggas wrong. And in this song, before I leave, picture me, I'm spitting that bomb. Bitches and hustling to be free. Bitches and hustling to be free. Watch me set it. Bitches and hustling to be free. Watch me set it. Bitches and hustling to be free. Watch me set it. Bitches and hustling to be free. Watch me set it. Bitches and hustling to be free. Watch me set it. Bitches and hustling to be free.
Yo, I be buying V's, so all my girls be eyeing C's. Coming backstage, dying to get pleased. You got me, I rock the Versace and linen. While you spot me grinning with a bunch of foxy women. While you speedball with cars, that's the valley. I get clothes custom made from a stylist. Cruise in my Lexus land with no malice. While you walk the street until your feet get callous. Take you on the natural high like a pallet. It be all good, toss your clothes like a salad. When it's all over, put your vote in my ballot. This my diner, I'm Mel and you're Alice. Spend the night and look to C's Palace. It be all good as long as you don't act childish. While you standing there with the crisp in your cup, and worst come to worst, keep this on the hush.
French in heel. I like the way you French in heel. Do it again, French in heel. I like the way you French in heel.
Caddish. Mississippi be putting it down. I'm the hottest round. I told y'all y'all can't stop me now. Listen to me now. I'm lasting 20 rounds. And if you want me, then come on get me now. Is you with me now? The biggie bounce. I know you dig the way I switch my style. People sing around. The people gather round. The people jump around. That's your chick. That's your chick.
French in heel. I like the way you French in heel. Do it again. French in heel. I like the way you French in heel. Do it again.
Make 'em clap to this.
To show our appreciation for your support.
Make 'em clap to this.
Thank you, DJs.
Caddish.
Your hands, everybody. These are the birds. Your hands, everybody. These are the birds. Your hands. Your hands. These are the birds. Oh yeah. Your hands, everybody.
Make 'em clap to this. Make 'em clap to this. Make 'em clap to this. Make 'em clap to this.
This is Milk D, aka Milk is chillin'. When I'm in Italy, I'm getting money with DJ Cool Caddish. What more can I say?
Saw him dancing there by the record machine. Knew he must have been about 17. The beat was going strong, playing my favorite song.
Hey y'all, fuck those guests that started. Apart from the party, son, those rocks the hardest. Got thugs in the back of the club like a sergeant. Son, snatch the mic, blast off like a Martian. Rock superstar guitar, son, heartless. Sharks in the club, word up, I leave them starving. Far from the repertoire, there's nothing charming. Aim through your heart, Ralph F starts the arson. Real alarming, I hate those regardless. Disregard that, roll out the red carpet. Delete the part if the mic be my target. Target from my starship, gold ice pace retarded. Hey y'all in the club, bust the toe step, ladies wild out. Fellas just lose it, you know how we get in the club. How we do this is what y'all want. Hip hop music. Hip hop. Hip hop music.
DJ Caddish.
Things just ain't the same for gangsters, but I'm a little too famous to shoot these pranksters. All of these rap singers claiming they bangers, doing all sorts of twisted shit with they fingers. Disrespecting the game, no home training the manners. I was doing this shit when you was shitting Pampers. I was moving them grams for you knew what a hand was. Ducking the vans, radars, and scanners. For you knew what hard white or tan was. I was hitting the turnpike, I ate with the bammers. I was nice with my hands, cause I ate with them hammers. I was pricking my finger for you knew what a fan was. I had it laid out for you knew what the plan was. 300 mil later, now you understand us. Y'all ain't see us coming through Vegas. You ever seen so much sham bust in one night? Grand talk, don't work
Straight from cop killer queens, a juvenile named Jack. Straight from cop killer queens, a juvenile named Jack. Straight from cop killer queens, a juvenile named Jack. Jack. Straight from cop killer queens, a juvenile named Jack. Straight from cop killer queens, a juvenile named Jack. Straight from cop killer queens, a juvenile named Jack. Straight from cop killer queens, a juvenile named Jack. At the age of 17, yo, this kid Jack started slinging crack. He's on the road to the riches, bagging bitches. He's in clubs, taking pictures, pick your finger, always interesting. His lifestyle is rough, round when you jail. Got the shorty named Val, she stays on the air. He started slinging at the age of 17. His heart's made to still give his life. Straight from cop killer queens, a juvenile named Jack. Straight from cop killer queens, a juvenile named Jack. Straight from cop killer queens, a juvenile named Jack. Straight from cop killer queens.
DJ Cool Caddish.
Oh my God!
dedicated going out to everybody here in Bahama Bay in Philadelphia. Here we go now, check it out.
Energize the massive sound of the DJ. Enjoy.
Caddish.
Until they get down, body rock, body rock, body rock. We say the war shouldn't stop until they get down, body rock, body rock, body rock. I say the war shouldn't stop until they get down, body rock, body rock, body rock. We say the war shouldn't stop until they get down. We people Jesus money blocks. You never find a thug that's much rugged like us. Don't be so quick to test us, I be know them might us. Don't be so quick to test us, I be know them us. Don't be so quick to test us, I be know them might us. Don't be so quick to test us. Don't be so quick to test us, I be know them us. Don't be so quick to test us, I be know them might us.
Got my other bitch, fucking with my other bitch. Fucking all night, nigga, we ain't celibate. Got my other bitch, fucking with my other bitch. Got my other bitch, fucking with my other bitch, fucking with my other bitch. Bitch. Got my other bitch, fucking with my other bitch.
Me and my people be rolling, killing on you and your homies. The very first day of summer, all rolled out in a Hummer, babe. Hit the park and party. Hope that you walk this way, 'cause you and your girl wanna ride. Play all day, up on the line. Say what, say what, say what. You know that I like it, baby. Ooh, girl, you know what's up, and you know what I need. Ooh, say what, say what, say what. You know that about it, baby. Ooh, girl, you know what's up.
Rock the funky beat. Rock the funky beat. Check it out. Yo. Hip-hop music. Hip-hop.
Attention, all you niggas, all you bitches. Time to put down the crystal. Time to take off the ice for a minute. Time to throw a little mud in this motherfucker.
Since your pretty ass, soon as you came in the door, I just wanna chill, got a sack for us to roll. Married to the money, introduced her to my stove. Showed her how to whip it, now she remixing for low. She my track queen, let her hit the bando. Baby counting up, watch how far them bands go. We just set it go, talking about your Lambo. Stop 56 and grand, man, I swear I love her, how she work the damn bowl. Hit the strip club, we be letting bands go. Everybody hate when we just call them fans though. Everybody hate when we just call them fans though. Everybody hate when we just call them fans though. Everybody hate when we just call them fans though.
Okay, party people in the house, as we go a little something like this.
Do
you recall not long ago when you would walk on the sidewalk? Innocent, remember
easy way. Let me introduce you to the new talk. Let's get straight to it. There ain't no way that you can kill a beast dead. I got Middle East women and Middle East bread. I got oil well money in the desert playing golf. J shorts, dashiki with a Louis scarf. Chest cold diamonds make a nigga wanna call. And Dubai, 20 million on the bill of law. And then I step.
It's not unusual to be loved by anyone.
Step up in the club.
It's not unusual to have fun with anyone. But when I see you hanging about with anyone, it's not unusual to see me cry, see me cry, see me cry, see me cry.
Psychic spies from China try to steal your mind's elation, and little girls from Sweden dream of silver screen quotation. And if you want these kind of dreams, it's Californication.
Life was too short, but now it's kinda funky. I make the beats for me and my homies. Newspaper reporters and others always ask me why I'm X-rated and I rap so nasty. When I was a teen, I did nothing else. But I was a teen, I did nothing else. I was a teen, I did nothing else. But I was a teen, I did nothing else.
They call me. They call me.
Cool Caddish, go go.
They call me big money.
DJs doing cuts and obey the crowd. 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 DJs doing cuts and obey the crowd.
Seems like yesterday we used to rock the show. We used to rock the show. We used to rock the show. We used to rock the show.
I like big butts and I cannot lie. You other brothers can't deny that when a girl walks in with a itty bitty waist and a round thing in your face, shit gets sprung. Wanna pull up front, cause you notice that butt in your stuff. Deep in the jeans she's wearing. I'm hooked and I can't stop staring. Oh baby, I wanna get with ya and take your picture. My homeboys tried to warn me, but that butt you got makes ooh, rub up smooth skin. You say you wanna get in my bed? Well, use me, cause you ain't that average groupie.
Oh yeah.
What an amazing time. What a family. What an amazing time.
Cool Caddish, bitch.
DJ Caddish.
Who is it?
Cool Caddish, go go.
Who is it? Who is it? I hit a flow all dipped in low, sit back and sip mo as I count my dough. Grand Pooba Maxwell, Doogie, coming with the New York. We keep it real like jail when we might talk. Honeys know cuz when I'm in the set, Grand Pooba is the one who makes their stink box wet. So let me tell you something, lady, when your flow is slow, then it's all cream and baby. I made this one for the honeys in the party, to find a hearty and dance body to body. Step 1, first you grab honey by the waist. Step 2, then you move out of ghetto pace. Step 3, then you look the dead in the face. Step 4, now it's time to leave this place. Hold up, be careful of the cheesers, the teasers, the one who wants the money and the visas. I'ma tell honey straight off the bat, but please don't even go there with that. Dig it.
Like a cat stuck in a moving car. A scary conversation, shit, my eyes can find the break. What if they say
¿Cómo estás?
goes on like that. That's right. Now all you cats that's talking at your reason, please stop it, man. We can't take it no more. Now tell them cats where you from, baby. Come on, let them know.
Hottest thing in West LA, house down by the water. Sells a yacht across the bay. Drives a Maranello. Hollywood's her favorite scene. Loves to be surrounded. Superstars that know her name.
When I hit you up, I'm talking about banging something. Chill off in your crib and half a thing, probably make the stank of something. Girl, you like my bottom bitch. Fuck my bill, pay for my lawyer. Play your position when the mother hoes get out of order. When you wanna give me that pussy, you purchase a plane ticket. Work around when I bust her down, then one shit like them lames did it. Got a dick with my dick mirror lipstick. Basically, if this bitch lay with me, she paying me. I'm on some pimp shit for real. This 2 a.m. club was about to close up. Coming through my contacts, about to call one of my hoes up. Then I met you, kick game, and followed you to the breakfast spot. Fuck you like I married you that night up in the Marriott. Like you got your cherry pop. Drunk and switching up position. Thought this shit would never stop. Motherfucker intermission. Damn. Here we go again, baby. Gotta take that walk now, baby.
It ain't gotta be a walk of shame, baby. But the truth if you know the game, baby. I can't be the one to blame, baby.
Shivers when you touch that way. I'll make you hug it all you got. I'll make you wanna say.
Caddish.
I was a terror since the public school era. Bathroom passes, cutting classes, squeezing asses. Smoking blunts was a daily routine since 13. A chubby nigga on the scene. I used to have the tray deuce and the deuce in my bubble goose. Now I got the Mac in my knapsack, lounging black, smoking sacks of an axe and sidekicks with my sidekicks, rocking fly kicks. Honeys wanna chat, but all we wanna know is where the party at. And can I bring my gat? Can I bring my gat? Can I bring my gat? Can I bring my gat?
It may not mean nothing to y'all, but understand nothing was done for me. So I don't plan on stopping at all. I want this shit forever, mine, ever mine, ever mine. I'm shutting shit down in the mall and telling that girl she the one for me. And I ain't even planning to call. I want this shit forever, mine, ever mine.
Okay, party people in the house.
Oh yeah.
Last name ever, first name greatest. Like a sprained ankle, boy, ain't nothing to play with.
I'm so tired of on my own. Won't you help me, girl, just as soon as you can? People say that I found a way to make you say that you love me.
Fix your lips, put them together nicely, and say it along now, say, she's a bitch!
I was walking real slow to the dance floor. He was looking at my ass and I turned him on. I seen him talking to his boy on his cellular phone. I looked at him and all he could say was, damn, baby.
DJ Caddish.
I talk shit, but I come through like a storm. I keep my peace so sweet, yeah, nice and warm. And all he could feel was this love, baby. I don't give a fuck about what they think, what they say. They can call me a freak, call me anything they wanna name. I don't give a. I just wanna take him home, take him to the house, then turn him out. He ain't checking for you. I don't give a fuck about what they think, what they say. They can call me a freak, call me anything they wanna name. I don't give a. I just wanna take him home, take him to the house, then turn him out. He ain't checking for you.
Abbassimi la scena, fare da casa mia, dove la roba buona, fare la farmacia.
We're better than you and you suck.
Yo, what up? It's your boy MH Marcus Houston. You rocking with my favorite DJ,
Caddish.
DJ Cool Caddish.
You're jamming with the hottest disc jockey.
We've had guest DJs before, but they're not really DJs. But you actually are a real DJ. Yes, I am.
DJ Caddish.
DJ Caddish.
DJ, ci tocca le mammelle.
I don't even pay attention to this. I don't want to be like that. I don't even want to look like that. You know what I'm saying?
Caddish.
When I ain't in the hood with my toes out low, I'm in the telly working up a sweat stroke. When I ain't in the hood with my toes out low, let's go. When I ain't in the hood with my toes out low, I'm in the telly working up a sweat stroke. When I ain't in the hood with my, when I ain't in the hood with my, when I ain't in the, when I ain't in the,
go. I'm making you hot. Drugs, baby. Drugs, baby. Drugs, baby. I'm making you hot.
I got the magic stick. I know if I can hit once, I can hit twice.
I am the baddest chick. Sure you don't believe me, then come with me tonight. I'll show you magic.
Magic.
I got the magic. I put your face in it. I know you sprung up in your tongue. I know you tasted it.
Sex ain't a race,
but I haven't thug. Nigga breaking records and the time is
1 minute, 6 seconds. Magic
stick, I got the magic vibe. Had that ass tricking out the one back shot. The kiss, the ice, I like that a lot. The minks, the leathers, the CL drive.
I got the magic stick. I know if I can hit once, I can hit twice. I hit the baddest chicks. Sure they don't believe me, then come with me tonight and I'll show you magic. What? Magic. I got the magic stick.
I know if I get licked once, I can lick twice. I am the baddest chick. Shorty, you don't believe me, then come with me tonight and I'll show you magic.
Magic.
I got the magic.
Never eject the wrong CD.
To the rhythm of the funky rhyme, so I can get busy just one more time to the beat and you don't quit. It's that old school rap with that new school hit. Peter Piper pick up a cool rap the rhyme, and I can still rip up the house. Every goddamn time I get on the mic, I go crazy. Peace out to CeeLo, Flex, and Doug Lazy. I bet you never knew, but now you know. I'm the undisputed king of this disco, and I never let the mic magnetize me no more. Cause DJ Cool rip up the whole damn floor. Now I'ma rock around with the greatest of ease and swing it like a man on a flying trapeze. And if you don't like it, you can grab on these. And now I need some help for the maestro, please. I hope you don't mind. I hope you don't mind. I hope you don't mind.
Caddish.
Dash and corrupt and dash, nickels and pennies, and pounds of hash, double up, double my money, make it boil and bubble, get a grip, ain't nothing funny. You can't survive off no conversation with words. Best to get off your ass, nigga, go flip some birds. Hand me my cash. Nobody moves and nobody get blast. My first words and my last. I got a platoon, massive armor suits, first infantry riders on a global pursuit. Parachute and jump, hell high on the stump, with a pump, bout to stump, put it into the hunt. Streets a motherfucker, dope game, rock game, cocaine, back to soul, pick and roll, ride and roll. Bitches up as high as they go, gotta let them know. The gang motherfuckers for show, in and out though. Rolling in 64, I ain't got time for none of these bitches, so fuck off, ho. Ever heard of a gangster? Well, you must have heard of us. A down gang full of jack artists and murderers. Automatic break out, you left dead, nigga, with your brains out. Go back to the foot with some sort, so watch the stains out. Murder's my hobby, kidnapping, jacking, and robbery. Wild as a safari, getting paid for the rob. Pay the cops off as I pull out the jet. It ain't no thing when we connect, we post it up checks. Nigga, we bury you alive and cement. That's what we meant. Now when the 9 goes click, your ass what shit. Get action, war taxes, get at you, get the job done. One gun, you hung, 7 bullets in your lungs. Struggle with hair on and I tear you apart. Through my veins and through my heart, that's when the drama will start. Nigga, give me what you got, let off some more shots. Run through what you got, destroy your plot. Got these Dillons ever run your spot. When the 9 goes pop, that's when your homeboys cry. Streets a motherfucker, dope game, rock game, cocaine, tank, soul, big roll, ride roll, pistols
Well, you must have heard of us, the gangsta gang, motherfucking song down the dust.
You ain't saying nothing.
Now you in the party acting hard.
You ain't saying nothing.
Now you in the party acting hard.
You ain't saying nothing.
Now you in the party acting hard.
You ain't saying nothing.
Now you in the party acting I got mad skills and styles. 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 I got mad skills and styles.
Trying to hustle up from broke to bald. Trying to hustle up, trying to hustle up, trying to hustle up from broke to bald. Trying to hustle up, 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 trying to hustle up.
Somebody hit me the other day for a rendezvous with the bitch that fucked the goodie and the dungeon crew. Let's say her name was Susie Screw, cause she screwed a lot, making a nigga hit that chunk at legitimate spots. Not no parks, back seats, or things of that nature. Had to hate your player. I'm digging the hoe down, never said I paid her. Straight later, slayed the bitch like Darth Vader. Made her from College Park and Fed all the way down to Decatur, like Jada. Her wig was sharp and sporty, that was shouty. Safe as a snake on eggs in a Beamer 840. It's foggy. I went to the crib to call her, but she lost me. My baby mama beat me. 7 o'clock is gonna cost me, but I still wanna cut her though. Maybe she had to work. I called her in the mall, wearing a real tight skirt. She was fine as fuck. I wanted to sex the hoe up. She said, let's hit the parking lot so I can see your duck. I said, cool. I really wanted to cut you, but this a do. I gotta pick up my daughter, plus my baby mama beat me too. She said she understood and everything was kosher. I gave her a little wheel CD and a fucking poster. It's like that now. It's like that now. You better go. Get the hoe about your bag now. It's about 4, 5 cats off in my leg now. Just shoot game in the form of story raps now. It's like that now. It's like that now.
Now Susie Screw had a partner named Sasha. I remember her number like the summer when her and Susie, yeah, they threw a slumber party, but you cannot call it that cause it was slumber. Well, it was more like spending the night, 3 in the morning, yawning, dancing under street lights. We chilling like a villain and a nigga feeling right in the middle of the ghetto on the curb and despite all of the bullshit, we on our back staring at the stars above, talking about what we gon' do when we grow up. I said, what you wanna be? She said, alive. It made me think for a minute, then looked in her eyes. I could've died. Time went on, I got grown, rhyme got strong, mine got blown. I came back home to find little Sasha was gone. Her mama said she with a nigga that be treating her wrong. I kept on singing my song and hoping at a show that I would one day see her standing in the front row. But 2 weeks later she got found in the back of a school with a needle in her arm, baby, 2 months due. Sasha Thumper.
It's like that now. You better go and get the hoe about your bag now. It's about 4, 5 cats off in my leg now. We just shoot game in the form of story raps now. It's like that now.
Throwing things, yelling in a mad high pitch. Here we go again with this psychopath bitch. The neighbors will hear you, you misfit. Can't disagree with the bitch about this shit. The price we paid to fuck women. The most pretty bitch got this psycho shit with venom. Stuck up. Soon as I pop up and see me with the next, she wanna tear the fucking club up. Check her pants, a number confirming. Learn more than just shit to dump sperm. And you know, probably get cussed if I backslap miss while she busy trying to justify who cheated first.
Wait, what would I want with this small chain wearing motherfucker trying to front?
I ought to cut her off, let another soothe me. But I don't know, ordinary bitch don't move me. I mean, I try to fall in love with the bitty, but straight up just be with the bitch out of pity. So although I know pretty bitch shady, here I go trying to change a hoe into a lady. You know what I mean?
screwed a lot. Let's say her name was Susie Screw, cause she screwed a lot. Let's say her name was Susie Screw, cause she screwed a lot. Let's say her name was Susie Screw, cause she screwed a lot. Let's say her name was Susie Screw, cause she screwed a lot. Let's say her name was Susie Screw, cause she screwed a lot.
The show is about to begin.
Radio killer.
Screwed a lot.
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 Whole fans clutchy, chillin' with my man Rusty, no down. Go off the burner, kinda dusty.
The world can't touch Ghost Purple Tape. Ray co-host, Monty Hall Expo, Intellect Direct Pro, Sun's trifling fuck, Wildflower on the cycling. Picked up the broom, thought I was Michaelin. West Brighton Pool, now I'm into iron duels. Turn-uns, the Earth's whoopee, she out of law school. Inhale, break beats of hell, A-Light propel, parallel. Duracell nut, you flash a burn cell. Snap at the Candyland kids, the old rumor is blacks become immune to shit we never did, like eating dead birds. Shot the pharmacy over herbs, men marrying men ill. They got the herbs, pulsar, scissor hand, wig vanished in the winter, living off land. You goddamn right, I fuck fans, king me. Checkmate, props like the Michael Tiff founder. Neck to neck stock with Bill Gates now. When we hug these mics, we get busy. Come and have a good time with G.O.D. Make you snap your fingers or wiggle. Scream, shout, laugh, or just giggle.
Hey, what's up, y'all? This is your girl Shadina, straight from Baltimore, Maryland, rocking off with my favorite DJ, DJ Cool Caddish. We're gonna let that shit go.
Yesterday I was on with some tricks in the 11. I don't remember who came back with me. Yesterday I was on. Yesterday I was on. Yesterday I was on with some tricks in the 11. Yesterday I was on with some tricks in the 11. I don't remember who came back with me. And tonight I will bring with some tricks in the 11. I'm not sure I want
Promises, buy the house, bought the kids, lifestyle we would live. Who the fuck you really is? In my face all the time, spitting line after line. Broke down my wall and you got in my mind. You the fake, should've known all the signs I was shown. Believe what I saw, then your cover was blown. Break up, leave, make up, please. You a magician, all them tricks up your sleeve. Had me for a minute, I was in it. You play good, but I'm a bitch, you gotta get it, so I make moves. And I'ma leave you where you at, dog, chill. Go back to square one, wait for something real. Selfish nigga, could've helped you, nigga. Usually know better, but I felt you, nigga. I guess getting in my head was a part of the plan. Cause in reality, the only thing you giving me is that you told me.
We're better than you and you suck.
What's good? It's your girl Devin Rose, and I'm hanging in the cut with Italy's own DJ Cool Caddish. Italy, what's good? Yo.
DJ, Chico coming, my man.
Caddish.
I be like Nick, Nack, Caddy, Whack. Oh, where my kitty cat give it. I be like Nick, Nack, Caddy, Whack. Oh, where my kitty cat give a dog a bone. How many licks does it take till I get to the center and let a real nigga take you home? Oh, where my kitty cat give a dog a bone. Oh, where my kitty cat give a dog a bone. I be like Nick, Nack, Caddy, Whack. I be like Nick, Nack, Caddy, Whack. I be like Nick, Nack, Caddy, Whack. I be like Nick, Nack. I be like Nick, Nack. I be like Nick, Nack, Caddy, Whack. Oh, when my kitty cat, I be like Nick. Oh, when my kitty cat give a dog a bone. Oh, when my kitty cat. Oh, when my kitty cat. Oh, when my kitty cat give a dog a bone. Oh, when my kitty cat give a dog a bone. Oh, when my kitty cat give a dog a bone. Oh, when my kitty cat give a dog a bone. Oh, when my kitty cat. Oh, when my kitty cat. Oh, when my kitty cat. Oh, when my kitty cat.
A million here, a million there. Sicilian bitch with long hair, with coconut derriere, like smoking the thinnest air. I open the Lamborghini, hoping them crackers see me. Like, look at that bastard Weezy. He's a beast, he's a dog, he's a motherfucking problem. Okay, you're a goon, but what's a goon to a goblin? nothing. Nothing on some faggot bullshit. Call them, they try me. Call me what you want. Call me on the sidekick. Never answer when it's private. Damn, I hate a shy bitch. Don't you hate a shy bitch? Yeah, I hate a shy bitch. She ain't shy no more. She changed her name to my bitch.
Feel it coming in the air. Hear the screams from everywhere. I'm addicted to the thrill.
I'm ready.
It's a dangerous love affair. Can't be scared when it goes down. Got a problem? Tell me now. Only thing that's on my mind is who gon' run this town tonight. Feel it coming in the air. Feel it coming in the air. Feel it coming in the air. Feel it coming in the air.
Never eject the wrong CD.
Music and sex and go together like a hand in glove. Making love on the dance floor with my clothes on. And music and sex and go together like a hand in glove. Making love on the dance floor with my clothes on.
Let's go.
Introducing Phantom of the Dog, walk through my heaven with levitation from reefers drenching defense in E7. Introducing Phantom of the Dog, walk through my heaven with levitation from reefers drenching. Introducing Phantom of the Dog, walk through my heaven with levitation from reefers drenching defense in E7. Showboating with Rugers, flash mines, Belafonte Jigger. Landscape with this birth as we confiscate your figures.
Casanova Brown, levitating Jiki and Dashiki's a Lahada car. 54, chasing diamond runners headed icebound. The big chiller diamond convention Harlem. The big chiller, the big chiller, the big chiller, the big chiller diamond convention Harlem Buck Strut. Breezing world heights, Hollywood, like a butterfly.
Yo, I'm hot like 95 Fahrenheit. On a summer night, tight spot where bodies rot. Rats drink from water drops in the streets, niggas. Little kids scared cops with red dots. Philosophical gangster with violent priors. Going back like black and white TVs with pliers. Leaning on broke down cars with flat tires. Flash iron on anybody crying on the blocks I'm supplying. Almighty cone, my peeps. Top balloons up and swallow them in the P-now. Got goons, lots of them. Cops see them and run, don't want no drama. Certain parts of the streets, the beast don't want a part of. Martyr, hood haunted like a Dakota. Where John Lennon was shot up. But he sang for peace, he begged for freedom. Hang with wild Jamaicans from Kingston. We drink Iris Moss, listening to Peter Winston McIntosh. Lightning hits the top of the church steeple when I'm writing. Semi-automatic, no hyphen. It's frightening.
Get my label off the ground like David Ray. Move like chess and yes, I was blessed with A. Thinking outside the hot box, work with brain. I spit lame, your words don't work the same. I'm a runaway slave, I'ma break the chain. I'ma terrorize the US and live in a cave. Call shots from long distance. Behave, I got homies dropping bows on them. I like to catch them while they slipping. Lay back, bubble and sink on them. They come back with info. You know how that pillow talk go. My chrome turns slow. The West Coast William Wallace. We don't die, we multiply. That's a threat and a promise.
Come on, get down with that artifact sound. But kids get wrecking, the beat's bound to pound. We're strolling through the industry, BC. We gotta be the next shit that kicks, cause brothers ain't got it. In this rap shit, ain't no time for the dilly dally pally. The throw a match in the gasoline alley. Blew up mad spots, kids were jealous for the props. See the shit never stops, hops just lick upon my deals, knock styles we make, never fake. Broke breaks in every crate, old freestyles and dirty ass copied over tapes. Notify that the artifacts never slack while cruisers on stage whack. We just played the back. Now the flip, dipper, ripper, split you with the mixture. Or cruise, so never pay dues, watch it for I get ya. Cause nowadays it's the ways of the underground, but they're whack now. So come on with the get down.
You know the stats, if not, then ask some niggas who heard of me. The half on the artifacts in Jersey. Cause brothers be bugging, not giving love to the knuckers saying fuck us. Cause we be shining brighter than the suckers. Shooting me prison, nobody listens to your dissing. Cause yo, my shit's legit, and as a lyricist I'm hitting the high note. So why don't I smile when I take pictures? Cause I'm gonna rock the